Hey guys, in today's video we are going to review something a bit different, something I haven't reviewed before, and that's from the company BDH, and that's high energy bars designed for, like, I don't know, if you were trapped in a blizzard, hiking, got lost hiking, a typhoon, a hurricane, and you can't get to emergency food rations. Well, this company has thought of emergency food rations, and very clever packaging as well, and we are going to check it out in just a minute. Alright guys, so excited to try these out, and my wife will join us on today's video because we will sample it and tell you what we think. But I think it was really clever, like this whole tin. It's got a little carrying handle, and these have a long shelf life. By the way, it comes with, let me see, 6 packages, and there's 4 of these in each package, so individually cellophane wrapped. So we will be trying one of them. Anyway, you can see how small that is in my hand. It looks like a little doggy biscuit, but we shall see how it tastes. I guess they do have some different flavors. So it says on here to eat 1 bar every 6 hours per person. So it would still last you a while. So the expiration on these is, I believe, April 12th of 2044. I think these will last the test of time for sure. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about these here. Super fast energy supply, high calorie pre-measured bars, long shelf life, vacuum packaging, no preservatives, can be stored at normal temperature in a cool and dry place for a long amount of time. Nutritious and healthy, great original flavor enriched with vitamins, minerals, does not contain cholesterol, also great for athletes, dieters, and vegetarians. Easy to carry, it is your best choice for outdoor and work activities. Even if you do not leave home, it can provide you with nutritional rations in emergency situations. Match it with milk, juice, or water for filling your stomach and enjoying a delicious meal. So basically these are advertised as survival tabs, supply for like outdoor camping, emergency snowstorm, earthquake, typhoon, hurricane, disaster preparedness kit with 20-year long shelf life, with 20 years of longevity on these things. It comes with original flavors, and it also has like different crop flavors. There will be a link in the description. I think these are really cool. And you know, here in the Philippines, I was actually affected by a typhoon once where we didn't have a lot of food options. Now, luckily, I went to the grocery store before this typhoon happened, but if I wouldn't have gone to the grocery store, as dismal as it may have been, you know, just eating the same meal all the time, at least I would have been okay. Anyway, not a bad thing to have, especially in a place that might have hurricanes, typhoons, blizzards, snowstorms. Anyway, you're out hiking, you know, good thing to keep with you. They're small, compact, and could certainly help in a life or death situation. Absolutely. So Maya and I will try this out and let you know what we think. All right, at the part of the video we've all been waiting for, us too, really. And that is the taste test of this, to see if this is something you want to eat. So again, it's a high energy bar. Looks like there's 2 in 1 pack. So it looks like there's a tear thing. I don't need a scissor, so let's try this out. They're individually wrapped. So we'll just.
Looks like a soap.
It does look like soap. So that's good. Looks like there's 4 in 1 package, and there's a bunch of packages in here actually. 2, 4, 6. 6, meaning there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 24 rations. All right, let's try it.
Okay, you first.
Oh, it's kind of crumbly, so here we can break it in half. There's your ration.
It's heavy though.
If this was a survival situation, right? Yeah, it is heavy. It's like compressed, high energy. Oh, not bad. It actually kind of reminds me of that Filipino cookie, that's made with the flour. What is that one called?
It actually tastes like butterscotch, but not sweet.
It's slightly sweet.
It tastes like otap in Filipino dessert that is known in Cebu. I could eat this.
I could survive on this.
I can see that.
Really, the only time you would break this out, sorry I'm talking with my mouth full, is in a situation like a typhoon where you couldn't get to the store, you haven't had food for a few days, war or whatever. Survival, like hiking maybe, and you get lost in the jungle. Or good to take hiking. So, very cool. I love the packaging.
It's really good.
Well, not bad at all. Well, that's it for this video, guys. If you're interested in this, there will be a link in the description. You can get yourself some high energy bars, survival situation, or just out for hiking. Whatever you want to use it for. See you guys next time.